This kitchen is undergoing a massive expansion. A trench is required to run plumbing and electric to accommodate the new layout. Yesterday, we laid out that trench and cut the slab. Today, we used heavy artillery to break up the concrete. And by we I mean Nate. Great job, Nate.